In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Canva documents into a single PDF. First, head to canva.com and log in to your account. Once you're in, open a blank page so you're inside the Canva editor. This just gives you the familiar interface and the side panel you'll use next. On the left-hand side, click on Projects. Projects is where all your designs and files are stored, making it easy to find what you need. Locate the file you want to use as your main document, which we'll call document number 1. Click to open it. This is the file that will hold all the pages when we're done. Now, in a new browser tab, return to your projects area and open document number 2. Keeping each document in its own tab will make switching between them fast and organized. Inside document number 2, look at the page thumbnails on the left. Click the thumbnail of the page you want to move. You'll see a or 3-dot menu. Click that, then choose Copy Page. This copies the entire page, including layout, text, and images, so everything stays consistent. Switch back to the tab with document number 1. Click Add Page to create a new blank page at the bottom of the document. With that new page selected, paste what you copied. On Windows, use Ctrl+V. On Mac, use Command+V. The copied page from document number 2 will drop right into document number 1. If you don't see it immediately, give it a second to load. Repeat that same copy and paste process for every page you want to merge. Go back to document number 2, copy the next page from the thumbnail's 3-dot menu, return to document number 1, add a page, and paste. Take your time so you don't accidentally overwrite anything, and keep both tabs open to stay efficient. When all the pages are in one place, arrange them in the order you want. You can drag the thumbnails up or down on the left to reorder the pages. This is the best moment to check for duplicates or gaps and make sure the flow is exactly right. When everything looks good, go to the top right corner and click Share. Choose Download, then select PDF as your file type. Confirm your settings if prompted, and click Download. Canva will prepare your merged file and save it to your computer as a single, clean PDF. And that's it. 2 Canva documents combined into one polished PDF using simple copy and paste.